Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
CVP, Careface Video Productions.
One day of snow, and this is what it looks like. As me say, up there, up there, up there. With your help, up there, we will be going. Welcome to Canada, North York. Well, yeah, in this kind of stuff, after the snow, you're supposed to shovel your driveway like this, yes, and then you're supposed to shovel the length of your home, like on the sidewalk, right? Some people, you know, will come out and they will shovel theirs and yours, and next time you come out you shovel yours and theirs, and sometimes, you know, you have some neighbors that they won't help at all no matter what you do, you know, but what are you gonna do? Yeah. Today could be a fun day. Well, if you want it to be, you know what I mean, or if you have a proper home and you have money in your pocket, you know what I mean. This is a good little exercise, even with the snow on the ground. To walk in this, man, after you finish, your whole body is in pain. It's like a whole week of workout. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so we live and we are work with it. Everybody is out with their shovel. So the thing said. Alright, dig your way out, dig your way out. Alright, Anna. Let's say I just win that thing. Big machine. Yes, come out and looking at the sidewalk, and I realized I could walk. But then, no highway. The highway is too far from me right now. But I can go check out the main street. This is an untouched driveway. See? Right there. The car is right there. Here's another one. See? Sidewalk. See? Sidewalk. And the car is right there. fully clean driveway. Fully clean. Yeah, what me say? Fully clean. Welcome to the aftermath of last night snowstorm. Yeah. What me say? Yeah. What me say? I know you could see that sunshine, that glowing sunshine. Look at that. I'm telling you, today is the warmest winter day of the year. I'm telling you, feel like summer, and there's ice on the ground. Tell us something like God, fire. Look at the water falling off this evergreen tree. Most green, always green.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.